Embattled businessman Vusimuzi Madlala has once again been denied bail, this time by the Johannesburg High Court, in a high-profile attempted murder case involving his former girlfriend, actress Teboho Tobejane. Madlala, who was implicated by crime intelligence boss Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo at the Madlanga Commission, as a key figure in the so-called Big Five cartel, approached the High Court last Monday to appeal his earlier bail denial by the Alexandra Magistrates Court. Cat faces charges of attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and money laundering, stemming from a 2023 shooting incident on the N1 highway near Sanson, in which Teboho was allegedly shot in the foot. Court's reasoning and state's opposition in September, Magistrate Prinsloo ruled against Madlala's bail, finding that he had failed to prove exceptional circumstances warranting his release and labeling him a flight risk. The state strongly opposed bail, citing Madlala's alleged access to a private jet, foreign assets in Mauritius, and possession of a fraudulent Eswatini identity document. However, during last week's hearing, Advocate Lawrence Hodges, senior counsel representing Madlala, argued that prosecutors misled the court by presenting unverified claims about the accused's alleged assets abroad. Hodges maintained there was no evidence that Madlala owned either a private jet or a boat in Mauritius, and therefore no basis to label him a flight risk. He further contended that Madlala had cooperated fully with investigators since becoming aware of the case in December 2024, even undergoing a 10-hour interrogation without resistance. The state remains firm in its stance, arguing that Madlala has a history of defying restrictions. Prosecutors revealed that during a raid at Kgosi Mampuru prison, Madlala was found in possession of a mobile phone, which they claim allowed him to communicate unlawfully with the outside world. Authorities said the device contained the contact details of a police officer saved as operator and showed attempted communication with Northwest businessman Bran Mokgotsi, a figure previously implicated in police corruption allegations by Lieutenant General Ndledla Mkhwanazi. The state further accused Madlala of failing to provide proper documentation to substantiate his bail application. Madlala's name has also been a recurring feature in proceedings before the Madlanga Commission, which is investigating claims of corruption, organized crime and political interference within the South African Police Service. Lieutenant General Khumalo previously told the Commission that Madlala is part of an elite criminal network, the Big Five cartel, which has allegedly infiltrated political and law enforcement structures to safeguard its interests. According to Khumalo, the cartel operates through tight-knit syndicates of between 2 and 12 individuals, each chosen for their expertise in specific illicit trades. While drug trafficking remains the cartel's primary business, it is also allegedly linked to extortion and contract killings tied to the narcotics underworld. The Madlanga Commission continues to probe explosive allegations of systematic corruption, political protection of criminal networks, and the possible capture of the judiciary, claims first raised by Mkhwanazi in July. As case unfolds, both the High Court and the Commission will play crucial roles in determining whether Madlala's alleged connections represent a single criminal enterprise or a symptom of a far deeper rot within South Africa's law enforcement and political systems. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.